Morning then, year 8, year 9, year 7, whoever you may be. Apologies about the wobbly camera today. I've had to suspend it above the board. So what we're going to look at today is a problem called Sissa's reward, and it's taken from the nrich website, which has got some really lovely maths investigations. So it's a number-based investigation based on an old Indian myth. So the story goes that Sissa Bender here was a courtier for a king. And Sissa had worked very hard and invented a game that was played on a board similar to chess. The king decided to reward Sissa for his dedication and asked him what he would like and offered him 1 million rupees. Sissa was a smart cookie. He thought carefully and then said, I would like 1 grain of rice to be put on the first square of my board. I would like 2 grains of rice to be put on the second. I would like 4 grains of rice to be put on the third, and 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to be put, is that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 to be put on the fourth, and so on. My reward will be the number of grains of rice on the last square in rupees. Now, a chessboard is an 8 by 8 grid. You can't see all of it, I don't think, on the camera. Now, the king thought that this was a silly request. He thought that 1 million rupees would be a much finer reward. However, was Sissa correct in asking for that many rupees from the last square and turning down the £1 million? What I would like to know from you guys is how many grains of rice or how many rupees would be on the 64th square on a chessboard. I'd like you please to email me your method and your answer to that, please, by the end of the day today. So that is Wednesday. If, however, you're thinking, I don't know where to start, we'll pause for 10 seconds and then I'll give you a hint. Okay, so a couple of things that you could do to help. Some of you may have a chessboard at home, so you could go and get it and get out either grains of rice or whatever it is you have at home that you could have a little play and test it out. You then might start to spot a pattern. Okay. One of the other things you might be able to do is to start by using your maths book and having a go at using some tables and different ways of recording things. Can you notice any patterns between the squares and the grains of rice? Why not start by thinking, how many grains of rice would there be on the 8th square? How many on the 15th square? Could I use this information to help me estimate how many there would be on the 64th? Or is there a pattern that you can notice that would help you with that? So, the solution I will post to you on email once I've had your replies. And best of luck.